few people have been after me to get out and get into nature. So that's what I'm doing. Mind you, all the good nature's over this way. I'm winded. I'm tired. Because instead of driving, I rode over here. You can't see it, but I'm pushing a bike right next to me. Oh, bicycle. Some pretty nice areas back here. Tons of dragonflies. Get up here a little bit further, you can probably see some more water. I took pictures of this area a while back when I drove over here, and a bunch of tadpoles came up to me and what have you. It'd be a nice area to go frogging at, but I never see any frogs around here. More than likely because there's a research center close by. Oh, butterfly. Missed it. Nope. Oh, little tiny bird. Looks like a down log. One thing about this area I can't stand is the mosquitoes. They're big and you need tons of baking soda afterwards. They don't bother me. I just don't like it. Back there's a picnic area I ran across the last time I was here. It wasn't there 4 years ago, but it's there now. Oh, there's a nice spot. From here you can see how really truly beautiful this area is. And from there I'm going to stop recording. You've seen enough. You might want to see more, but the only way you see more is if I jumped out there in that water. And I can see from here, there's lots of rocks down there in that water. So I don't want to do that.